In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report someone on WhatsApp Web. We'll walk through the process from opening WhatsApp Web to choosing the right reporting option so you can handle spam, suspicious activity, or unwanted messages confidently. Start by opening your browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. If you're not sure of the address, typing the name into your search bar is the quickest way to find the official page. Make sure you're on the legitimate WhatsApp site for your security, and keep both your computer and your phone connected to the internet throughout this process. When the WhatsApp web page loads, you'll see a large QR code. To link your account, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the section where you manage linked devices, and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. This logs you into the same account you use on your mobile device, so all your chats appear on the web interface. Once your chats are visible, navigate to the conversation with the person or group you want to report. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find the name quickly. Click the chat to open it so the conversation is active on the right side of your screen. Now look toward the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see the vertical ellipsis, the 3 stacked dots that indicate more options. Click that icon to open the menu for this conversation. From the menu, select Report. This tells WhatsApp you want to flag this contact or group for review. You'll immediately see a pop-up explaining your choices. In the pop-up, you can choose to just Report or Report and block. Choosing Report will send a report to WhatsApp so they can review recent activity from this chat. Keep in mind that reporting may forward recent messages from the conversation to WhatsApp for safety review. If you still need to keep communication open, maybe to collect evidence or because you expect a resolution, use Report on its own. If you select Report and block, you're not only reporting the account, but also preventing them from messaging or calling you on WhatsApp going forward. This is the better option if the contact is harassing you, sending harmful content, or clearly acting like a spammer. After you confirm, the action is applied immediately. Depending on your version, the chat may be removed from your list or remain visible with the block in place. That's it. Open WhatsApp Web, link your account, go to the relevant chat, open the menu, click Report, and pick the option that fits your situation. Stay safe, and use reporting whenever something feels off or violates WhatsApp's guidelines.